Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can optimize images in your WordPress website. So first of all I can log in into my website using /wp-admin. So then let me click on login button, and now I need to go in plugin sections and let me install a free plugin. Here you can search for Smush, a free image optimization plugin for WordPress website. Here you can check 1 million plus active installations with 5-star ratings. So just you can click on install button, and here you can check the details, what it will do. Scroll down and here you can check the plugin features. So it will optimize images, compress, lazy load images, resize images, convert your WebP images into the AVI-F format, and many more. Then click on activate button. So now we need to go in plugin settings. Here you can see on the left side in the menu you can go to plugin settings, then click on bulk smush. Scroll down and then click here begin setup, then again click on next button, then next. So within few clicks you can configure this plugin, then again scroll down, and if you want to use extra speeds, for example if you have bulk images to compress, then you can upgrade, otherwise you can use a free version of this plugin. So now guys, here you can see image recheck is complete. Now here you can see 51 images that needs smashing. Just you can click here bulk smash, and you can check the working speed. So if your website have thousands of images, then you can upgrade and get 80% off for this plugin, and it will take 1 to 2 minutes. And now you can go and check the plugin settings. For example, if you want to enable lazy load, just you can go in lazy load setting, and here you can enable or disable. Here you can see this one, and click on save changes. So it's almost 60% complete, and you can also go to plugin settings, scroll down, and here you can enable image resize detection, then click on save changes, and here you can check other options. So default configuration, data and settings, and accessibility. So now guys, here you can see image optimization is almost complete. So we got notification all the attachments have been smashed. Awesome. In this way you can optimize images in your WordPress website. Thank you for watching video.